In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add an order form to your Wix website. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening the website you want to edit from your dashboard. Once the site opens in the editor, click Design Site to begin making changes. Next, check whether 123 Form Builder is already installed on your website. If it is not, open Add Apps and add 123 Form Builder to your site. After that, go back to your page and select the 123 Form Builder element. To open the form settings, double-click the form or click Settings. This will open the 123 Form Builder panel, where you can choose and edit forms for your website. In the panel, go to the left side menu and select Forms. Then open the Templates section and scroll through the available form options until you find Order Form. Click Order Form to load that template, and then click Customize Form to start editing it. Now you can build the form around the way you want customers to place orders. Add new fields or update the existing ones to collect the information you need. This can include the customer name, email address, phone number, product selections, quantity, delivery address, and payment details. Make sure the form includes every field that is necessary for your ordering process. After the form fields are set up, open the Settings section. Here you can configure what happens after a form is submitted. You can set up submission email notifications, confirmation messages, and other important form options that help manage incoming orders. If you want to improve the way the form looks on your site, open the Layout and Design tabs. Use these areas to adjust the structure, spacing, colors, and overall style so the order form matches the rest of your Wix website. When you are finished, save your changes and close the editor. Then click Preview to test the order form on your website. Go through the form carefully and make sure it works the way you expect. Check the fields, the submission flow, and the confirmation settings before making it public. Once everything looks correct, click Publish to make the order form live on your website. Your visitors will then be able to access the form and place orders directly through your Wix site. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.